Good morning, class. This is Sonal, your social science teacher. I hope you all are doing good. Today we will continue block 10, more on geographical forms, and we will study second topic today. Be ready with all your essentials and please sit with your partner. Now let's revise yesterday's topic. We have studies about large water bodies, seas and oceans. So what is the biggest water body? It is ocean. And seas are also big, but they are smaller than ocean and they have salty water. So do you know which is the biggest ocean? Biggest ocean is Pacific Ocean. Pacific Ocean is the largest and deepest ocean in the world. And which is smallest ocean? It is Arctic Ocean near the North Pole. And what are landlocked seas? So, Aral Sea, Caspian Sea and Dead Sea are landlocked or surrounded by land from all sides. And what impact does wind have on seas and oceans? So, because of wind, when a movement is caused in the water, so this movement leads to the formation of waves. So wind causes wave in the water of seas and oceans. And strong winds can also cause tsunami in seas and ocean. Okay. Now, this is the question of the day for you. Question is, which is the biggest river in the world? If you will watch the video carefully, you will be able to answer this question. So let's start today's topic. Watch the video carefully, okay? And this is to remind you that the duration of answering the bonus question is only 1 day. So duration will start from tomorrow 8 a.m. to 9 p.m. So you have to answer this question only on the same day. And some keywords from today's topic: lakes, ponds, waterfalls and river. Do you know what is a lake? Lake is surrounded by land on all sides, and lake can either have salty water and fresh water, both. Lakes can be man-made or natural. And ponds are small holes on land that get filled up with water. And waterfalls, as many of you have seen maybe. So waterfall is a stream of water falling from a high place. And river is the source of fresh water. Now answer this question. What big water bodies have you seen in your neighborhood? Can you name these water bodies? In your neighborhood or in your surrounding. It doesn't matter that the water bodies are far from your house or they are near, but you need to name some water bodies around us. So many of us have seen rivers, ponds. We may not have seen waterfall as they are not very common everywhere and found in hilly areas. As you can see in this picture, waterfalls are not common. And lake also. So many of us have seen rivers and ponds. So these water bodies are rivers, lakes, ponds and waterfalls. Okay. These are called inland water bodies. Water bodies on land are called inland water bodies, and this is our today's topic. Today we will learn about some inland water bodies: rivers, lakes, ponds and waterfalls. This is your topic for today. Write topic name with date in good handwriting. Write lesson plan 2. And our today's aim is to be able to identify the features of different inland water bodies. Be ready with your essentials. Now, here you can see a table. Okay, you need to draw this table on your notebook. Make 3 columns with river, lake, pond and waterfall. And open your content book. Look at the pictures of rivers, waterfalls and ponds from the section inland water bodies. Then you need to notice about rivers, lakes and waterfalls and fill this table. What differences or what similarities? You can write the features in this table. Anything that you notice. Okay. And fill this table. You can pause the video to complete this. And come back after completing this. I hope you have completed. So now answer, how many types of water bodies did you see? What did you observe about each water body? So there are 4 types of inland water bodies: rivers, lakes, ponds and waterfalls. And what is an inland water body? Water bodies on land are called inland water bodies. Like a river is a water body in which the water is fresh and the water flows in one direction. Okay. And a lake is a large body of water surrounded by land. Lake can either have salt water or fresh water. Lake can be man-made or natural. Ponds are like lakes but they are smaller. And a waterfall is a stream of water falling from a high place. And now answer, what are inland water bodies? What are rivers? Where do they get water from? From where rivers get water? Think and answer. So water bodies on land are called inland water bodies, and rivers are long water bodies with fresh water, and they stretch across vast distance, means they are very long, and they get their water either from melting snow and ice in the mountains or from rainfall. In this picture you can see snow-fed rivers. Snow-fed rivers get their water from melting snow and of mountain, or from rainfall. River also get water and they are called rain-fed rivers. Okay, in this picture you can see rain-fed rivers and snow-fed rivers. So rivers get their water from melting snow of mountain and from rainfall. And here it is written from melting ice and snow. So as we know the difference, ice is a bit hard than snow. So, and which is the longest river in the world? The longest river in the world is Nile River in Africa. And the biggest river in the world is Amazon River in South America. Pause the video and learn this. Longest river is Nile River in Africa and biggest river in the world is Amazon River in South America. Now answer, how is a lake different from a pond? What do you think? How is a lake is different from a pond? So lakes are bodies of water surrounded by land on all sides. And lakes can be natural or man-made. Some lakes contain fresh water and some have salty water. And which is the largest lake in the world? Largest lake in the world is Lake Superior. And remember to write the name in capital letter. Lake Superior and North America, country name or some specific lake's name. Not specific means lakes, seas, oceans. Such names you need to write in capital letters. Now What about pond? Pond can also be natural or man-made. Ponds are small holes on land that get filled up with water. But ponds are smaller than lakes, and ponds do not have salty water. Ponds are also present near your school. Now, next question is, how is a waterfall related to a river? What do you think? Why waterfall is related to a river? Do you know the answer? What's your opinion? Think and answer. Don't wait for my answer. You can pause the video and give your own answer. This is very easy. So, waterfall is a fast flowing flow of water that runs down a hill in a stream or river. And in this way, waterfalls are connected to or related to a river because they runs down a hill in a stream or a river. Means water of waterfall goes down or goes to a stream or a river. And well-known waterfalls are Niagara Falls in North America and Victoria Falls in Africa. These are famous or well-known waterfalls. And waterfall is a freshwater body because the water of waterfall is not salty and can be used by others, man and animals. Next question. Imagine that you live near a sea, a little distance away from a freshwater lake. There is no water supply at home today. Where will you fetch water from and why? Imagine that you live near the sea. So, will you fetch the water from the sea or you will go to a little distance to get water from a freshwater lake? And why will you not fetch water from the sea? So, we will fetch water from the lake because it has fresh water. Sea water is salty and cannot be used by humans. Now, let's revise what we have studied today. So, there are inland water bodies, means inland water bodies that are present on land. Water bodies like river, waterfalls, pond and lakes. And freshwater bodies are river, pond, waterfalls and lakes can have salty water and fresh water both. And lakes and ponds can be human made. And what is a waterfall? Waterfall is a fast flowing flow of water that runs down a hill in a stream or a river. And which is the longest river in the world? Answer is Nile River in Africa. And which is the biggest river in the world? Answer is Amazon River in South America. And Lake Superior in North America is the largest lake in the world. And can you name some well-known waterfalls? Pause the video and answer the question. Name some famous waterfalls. The Niagara Falls in North America and Victoria Falls in Africa are well-known waterfalls. And this is your writing work for today. Read the topic, finish S2 and do PQ 3, 4 and 5. Now, this is your S2. Question 1. You need to state whether true or false. Ponds are smaller than lakes. Next, all rivers end in waterfalls. Next, rivers contain salt water. And next is Lake Superior is the largest lake in the world. Question 2. Write two differences between a waterfall and a pond. Question 3. A lake may be smaller than the sea, but it is more important for our daily lives. Why? And this is a new thing for you. We will learn capital of states. So you need to learn that Hyderabad is the capital of Andhra Pradesh. Okay? You can write it in your notebook. From today we will learn some new things daily. So, which is the capital of Andhra Pradesh? Answer is Hyderabad. Next, this is the question you need to answer in the comment section. Question is, which is the largest lake in the world? And you can also comment your doubt in comment section, because from now you will not get any keywords or answer key or written answer. So if you have any doubt, you can ask in the comment section on the same day when you will do your homework. Don't wait for the answer keys. Okay? And don't write comments like good morning ma'am and ma'am I have done. Don't do unnecessary comments. Only do comments related to your topic, or only comments your doubts. And everyone, don't forget to answer this question in the comment section. Which is the largest lake in the world? If you have any doubt, you can ask. Complete your work properly. Watch the video. And after reading the topic, complete your work. Take care everyone. God bless.